Hi guys, how you doing? We're here, we're back with the March 2022 unboxing of Bargain Bead Box subscription box. We hope you're doing good, and here we go. I'm sorry, try my best. Like always, it comes with a description of this month theme, and it's the skies is the limit. And it always comes very well wrapped. This month, the chiffon bag is teal blue. It is beautiful, very nice color. And I can see like the theme is blue colors. It is so pretty. Like always, we're gonna put it on order and we'll be right back.
The March 2022 Bargain Bead Box theme is The Sky's the Limit, and the description reads as follows. Sky blue and robin's egg tones combine in this bright collection set against textured antique copper in breezy swirl and whimsical bird motifs. Highlights include high-quality howlite, amazonite, quartz, and colorful glass, crystal, and porcelain accents. We adore the cutout metal pendant and tiny bird charms. So number one today we have 10 9x13mm pressed glass cloud beads.
And they are beautiful. They change color when the sun or the light hit them. You see how that is, like bluish sky, very pretty. It had like sparkles in it, and it's so pretty, and it's carved, so it have like a design there. If you can see it, it is beautiful. I would like to use this one on earrings or maybe in a bracelet. And number two is?
Number two, 4 7x11mm bird charms.
Aww, they're so pretty. Very tiny, very nice, well made. You have a little eye there. They're so pretty. These are nice for earrings, but they're nice for bracelets too, like to hang. It's very nice. And number three?
Number three, we have an approximate 12-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads, sky blue in color.
Super beautiful. They're very light color. Like it's light, but it's at the same time it's like dark. This is a lighter color. This is like a dull color, but it's beautiful. Super cute. Very nice. My mind is already running on what we can create. Number four.
Number four, we have 10 13x19mm swirled links.
Look at that. These links are beautiful. You can make like a necklace, whether you put it this way and you add it to the chains or something like that, or you can use them to do earrings like that. It is so pretty. Or you can use it in a bracelet, like put it over there in the middle. They're beautiful. You can create a lot of stuff. Number five.
Number five, we have 2 20mm glazed porcelain handmade beads, aquamarine in color.
They're super beautiful. They are big. They're like a nickel size. Well, not round, but you know, like a nickel size. They're pretty. They're very nice. And number 6 is?
Number 6 is a 10-piece strand of 7 by 10 millimeter genuine howlite turquoise oval beads.
They are beautiful. They are super stunning and super beautiful. They have veins on it, like in different color, like gray or tan color. They're like Vero. It look like this one that came in December, but this one is a rose and this is different. But they're so pretty, so pretty. I really see it with something that I already have in mind. A couple of things. And number 7 is?
Number 7, 4 32 millimeter swirled chandeliers.
Wow, look at this. They're beautiful. In the back, it have like a texture thing, but in the front it's like flat, like very flat. It doesn't have texture, but they're so pretty. And this is good to put with these, like hanging over here, and then I'm adding some beads. They're so pretty. So I'm probably gonna make a necklace and a pair of earrings with that. And number 8 is?
Number 8, 1 meter of 5 by 4 millimeter steel oval jewelry chain.
Look at that. And the color on the metals this month is copper, but they're very nice. The link is like a medium size. It's super cute, super nice, very nice. And it's always bring you, a decent amount. You can make at least 2, or depend of the design that you come up with. Number 9 is?
Number 9, 20 12 by 4 millimeters bird spacer beads.
Oh my god, look at that. These are so pretty, so tiny. I don't know if you can see it, but they're like little birds. They're so pretty. This is what I will put over here, like hanging on the chandeliers. They're gonna look so pretty, so cute. I'm sorry, just give me a moment. Oops, they're falling. Number 10 is?
Number 10, 37 millimeter swirled bead caps.
And like I said, the copper is the color of this month on the metals, and they are very well made. They have a lot of beautiful design. I love the details on this one. Very pretty, very, very pretty. I'm gonna use this ones. Number 11.
Number 11 is an approximate 7-inch strand of 4 millimeter faceted crystal round beads, marine blue in color.
Wow, this is so pretty. Like the colors change when it move with the move, and it's very shiny, very, very shiny. It is so pretty. I'm thinking to use it with that. It is nice. And number 12 is?
Number 12, 4 sets of 18 millimeter classic banded toggle clasps.
These ones are very, very, very thick, like heavy duty. These are very heavy duty, very well made. Look at all the details, and it's thick. It's not thin like the ones last month were thin, but this is very thick. But it's pretty. It's gonna look amazing with the necklaces or the bracelet. And the 13 is?
Number 13, a 20-piece strand of 10 millimeter glass brown beads, metallic blue-green iris in color.
Wow, they're beautiful. They're like blue but green. They're like change color. They're amazing. All the beads. This company is very good at everything they made. They made so many pretty things. And number 14 is?
Number 14, an approximate 15-inch strand of 8mm ice blue quartz round beads.
Wow. Look how pretty. This is beautiful. The companies always put together something that you either like it the way they put it, or you can create your own stuff. But this is a very, very nice necklace. If you put the clasps, this is a very, very nice necklace. Just simple and nice. But let's see, I'm gonna create something else with it. And 15?
Number 15, a 50 by 34mm floral bird cutout pendant.
And the struggle is real. I'm sorry. Look at that. It's a bird. It is well made, very well cut out. The details are amazing. Look at that. It's beautiful. It has flowers on it and leaf. It is beautiful, stunning. Oh my God, I can't wait to create with that. Number 16.
Number 16, we have a 7-inch strand of 6mm matte flower amazonite round beads. That's a mouthful.
And these are beautiful. Look at that. The color combination, it is amazing. Look at this. This is a 7 inches. So this is exactly what we use normally for a bracelet. Most of the people are 7-inch or 7.5, but 7 inches is a good amount for a bracelet. And I happen to love the way they did it, so I probably keep it like that, maybe move some colors around, but I wanted to do an elastic bracelet with this one. And number 17 is?
Number 17, an approximate 32-piece strand of 8 by 5mm glass drum beads, milky blue in color.
They're very nice, very different. They're different. The shape is different. They're crystal, but they actually kind of look like plastic, but they are crystal. They are very, very nice. The color, and there is a different bead. Very different. Never see it before. Number 18.
Number 18, an approximate 7.5-inch strand of 8 by 6mm crystal rondelle beads, sky blue in color.
Wow. Look how shiny that is. Very sparkle, very shiny. Look at that. So pretty. I love it. Number 19.
Number 19, we have 10 12 by 9mm crystal faceted oval beads, green blue iris in color.
Wow. Look at the details. They like carve in it, and they are so beautiful and pretty. Look at that. Amazing. And number 20 is?
And last but not least, 40 by 30mm genuine howlite oval pendant.
Wow. Look at that pendant. The one side is pretty much simple and almost clean. It has little veins on it, but when you turn it, it have like brown and gold. It is so pretty. It is so beautiful. Like already I wanted to create something in this tones with this, like these 3 tones with this. Maybe this 3 together. And I wanted to like kind of create with this one and this one together. Oh my God, that's gonna be very nice.
So this was everything that came in the March 2022 The Sky's the Limit Bargain Bead Box. Very beautiful items. We want to take this time to send a shout out to Pamela Haukis, Rachel Israeli, Debbie Sillo, and Patty Scott. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and sorry if I mispronounced any of the names. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.